In this video, we will be going over how to insert, move, and also delete holes on MeasureSquare Mobile. Starting out with the drawn room, we will tap on the room to make sure it is selected. Notice the yellow outline that indicates when the room is selected. Tap on the eye icon that appears in the room once selected and then select Resize. Once you are in this menu, scroll to the bottom and select Insert Hole. Just like with the free draw tool, you can use a distance laser with this tool as well as use your fingers to draw out the shape. A great use for this tool would be creating columns. Once you are done with your whole area, you can hit Done in the top left. If you would like to move or delete the hole, you can use the same resize menu and select Move Hole or Delete Hole. To move the hole, tap on the area and drag to the desired location. To delete a hole, simply tap on the hole that was drawn. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future tutorials and release information for MeasureSquare Mobile.